Now, guys, if you're asking me if I am enjoying teaching here in the US, I would say yes, check 100%. I am enjoying teaching here in the US because I feel like I have more time for myself and my family. Kasi at 2:30 we're done. Pag yung sa tutoring, it's additional because I do tutoring, it's an additional pay and I sign up for it. Meaning to say, hindi ka pipilitin kung ayaw mo mag-tutor. They won't, they won't require you. So it depends on you. So yan yung nagustuhan ko dito, guys, kasi yung oras talaga ay within time frame. Meron naman minsan nag-exceed, for example, when we have faculty meeting or kapag meron kaming yung parent-teachers conference that we really stay up to 7 p.m. Pero other than that, I mean, wala.